Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Deboski again, bringing you the best of AI tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a drop. Let's dive right in. Today, a wide range of AI music generators are available, each bringing its own set of features and advantages. Suno AI is highly regarded for its user-friendly interface and its ability to create full songs, complete with both lyrics and instrumental tracks. Udio is another popular choice, especially noted for its impressive text-to-music capabilities, making it ideal for both creative professionals and hobbyists. For users seeking high-quality background music, SoundRaw is often recommended, while AIVA is recognized for its powerful editing tools and customizable musical styles. However, in this tutorial, our focus will be on guiding you through how to create a viral AI-generated song using the Riffusion AI music generator. The first step in this process is to create your music lyrics. You can start with lyrics you've already written or with a melody you have in mind. In this case, however, I'm going to create everything from scratch using AI. Here's how to start.
Before we move to the main guide, let's listen to Riffusion generated song.
Take off, hey, hey, all night, get go, send me go, make we go, make we go, send me go, baby, make we go, tonight we the vibe on the low, oh you fair, girl you the go, dance like say we do not get tomorrow, send me go, yeah, vibe on the but tonight we the chill. I'm up piano, they play, they kill. Make me move, make me feel that thing. Show me baby, you they do me get gay. Always they roll like you know get brave. Girl from Kumasi to get her body on fire, she hotter than pepper. We know the rush, we the cruise. Life the vibe, we know the lose. Pop that thing like you get the juice. Tonight they run the blues. One legging, big body, turn around, they them study. Shaku shaku, azonto mix. I'ma tell you, no girl, you be remix. Give me slow wine, steady motion. Yeah, you sweet, you be potion. All night long with the day. No darling, shallow with the play. Send me go, baby, make me go. Tonight we the vibe on the low. Oh, yeah, fair, yeah, we the blow. Dance like say we no get tomorrow. Send me go, yeah, yeah, yeah. Vibe on a level. But tonight we the chill. I'm up and on the play, the kill. Make me move, make me feel that chill. Oh, the room. Come closer, you be queen, I be a soldier. Anywhere you there, I go follow. From Temasek to Soweto. Piano keys, they play your waist. Wine so smooth, you know the waist. Sweet like Sobolo, carry you taste. Tonight we go deep, no dreams. Send me go, baby, make me go. Tonight we the vibe on the low. Whoa, yeah, fair, get you the glow. Dance like say we no get tomorrow. Send me go, yeah, yeah, yeah. Vibe on a yeah, but tonight we the chill. Hop up, on the play, they kill. If we move, let me feel that chill. Oh yeah, I'm a piano, oh yeah. Now we did from Cape Coast to Soweto. Send me go, yeah, yeah, yeah. Vibe on a yeah, but tonight we the chill. Hop up, on the play, they kill. Then go, they go. Send me go, they go. Oh, oh. They go, send it go, oh, 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 let me go.
For this, I'm going to use ChatGPT as my reliable creative partner, where I will prompt ChatGPT to act as an award-winning African music artist, and also ask it to write a viral lyrics, blending with Afrobeat and Amapiano styles. And again, I will specify that the song should be performed by a male or a female artist and mention any title of a song of my choice as a source of inspiration. Then I will hit on the generate button. So let me show you how to do it. A typical example. So I'll write my prompt as an award award-winning African music artist. Right, a viral lyrics blending with Afrobeat and amapiano. It should be performed by a male artist. Yeah. Then I'll click on my generate button here. Now, ChatGPT has delivered by generating a complete song titled Zion Vibes. And you could see it has provided all the components needed: the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus, then the chorus itself, bridge, second verse, and the final chorus, and you will see the outro. And the most interesting part is that if there is a part of the lyrics that you don't want or not happy about it, you can ask ChatGPT to reverse it. But I'm very okay with what it has created. So let's go ahead and copy the lyrics from start to finish and move on to the next two, which we are talking about, and it is Riffusion, my favorite AI music generator. So I'm copying the lyrics. Alright, after signing up with your Gmail, log into Riffusion homepage and click on the create button. This will open a creation tab. It will open a creation tab like this for you here. So you click on the creation tab like this. So this is how it's going to appear. So let's, and if you want Riffusion to generate a song for you, you can type a prompt by using the section labeled prompt, where you will describe the kind of song you want by giving it a title, genre, and the rest. You have to do that when you don't have your own lyrics and want Riffusion to create a song for you. But since I have my own lyrics generated from ChatGPT, I'll just tap on the add lyrics and paste the lyrics I copied. So you can see the lyrics that I copied from ChatGPT. I'll just paste it here. Yeah. You can see. So after pasting your lyrics, you can see at the right corner side on your screen with a button labeled instrumentals. So I am talking about this one, this instrumental. When you switch it on or when you turn it on, it means that you only want instrumentals. But if you don't want instrumentals only, leave it like that and go to the next. You can see sound, and under the sound I wrote amapiano because I generated my lyrics in amapiano form, or I want my song to sound in amapiano form. That's why I just wrote amapiano vibe, yeah, style or vibe. And under the details, you can see upload picture and prompt image. What it means is that when you click on the upload picture, it means that you are going to give Riffusion an image to use as a cover art image for you. But if you don't have, just click on the prompt image and tell Riffusion AI to generate a cover image for you by describing how you want it. So after doing all that, just click on the generate button and we are good to go.
Yes! We have come to the end of today's tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.